So I have finished the fidget spinner. Oh, that's well cool. So it's pretty nice. Some caps on it. But yeah, I would recommend making this because it looks very good. But what happened to me was my bearing was a little bit too small for this, so I had to wrap it in PVC tape to get it to the right size.
Fidget spinner.
Guys, leave a like if you like fidget spinners, and if you hit the dislike button, then Aiden will burp in your face, unless you like that. If you like people burping in your face, then like the video. But if you don't, dislike the video, because then he will do it.
Thanks. Now where's our YouTube money?
Please sponsor us.
So guys, you may have seen I made this one, but I went away, and about an hour to half an hour later I made some more. So the second one I made is this. It's very small. I call it Aiden's brain. This is because it's absolutely tiny, and it is smaller than my hand.
Oh, there's a spider on me.
The third one I made, guys, looks like this. It's got a two-arm design. Also, you can see it's got some outer edges. This makes it really fun to fidget with. Put in the comments below, what is your favourite fidget spinner that I've made? My personal favourite is this one. However, I also like this one. I also like this one. This one will fit in your pocket, but may weigh you down. I wouldn't recommend putting it in your pocket just in case your trousers fall down. This one would be good to put in your pocket. It's small and won't pull your trousers down. Unless you want that to happen. Then you're weird. This one also fits in your pocket and won't pull your trousers down. As you can see, on these two I have used zip ties to hold it together. Anyway, let's put on the caps. That looks spicy. These were made out of bike chains. Anyway guys, tell us in the comments what we should name these and which one's your favourite. This has been Pyro Duplicate Reviews. Thank you for watching.
Buy these caps for £5. Now, in the description below.
Anyway, see you guys later. Peace.